Ladies, are you ready for me again?
Yeah, then you will see them.
Come.
Pussy them, just bounce for the beat.
Bounce for it. Show me how you bounce for it. Feel it. Oh, let me see it.
Bounce for the beat. Every time don't stop managing. So manage it. Manage it. So manage it. Manage it. So manage it. Go, box. See them on one side. On one side. On one side. On one side. Catch on one side. One side. Catch. Move the wattage now. Move it, Brianna. Move it. Move it, Brianna. Just ride it.
You're tired. You're taking off and you're comfortable. Baby!
Alright, listen, y'all.
You know what Gunman selector, DJ's new.
Well, what I do, guys, as you guys can see, all here kayaking, first time ever. So you guys make sure you guys pray for me. If there's any way to do this properly, you guys comment. Let me know. Going in the wrong direction right now. I'll be right back. Watch the ladies. I'm just chilling in the kayak, to be honest with you. I'm not even paddling. I'm just chilling. Got a crew member there. Making sure everybody's safe. Watch these guys on the jet ski. Yo, bro. Alright, now for I go. Yeah, true. So you gonna be on YouTube? You guys want to say what's up to the vlog?
Yeah, what's up? What's up?
Where we at? See that?
Let's go.
We're in the 6, right?
Yes, sir. What is that for?
I'm an artist. I'm vlogging.
You're a vlogger?
Yeah.
What's up?
I'm not a blogger. I'm an artist. I'm just vlogging.
Oh, shit.
You guys don't know
What
it?
do you do?
I'm an artist. I just make quality music. Yeah. Yeah, fresh era. Yeah. Don't know it? Peace.
know my ways. I see them shining, but it ain't the same. Yeah. Diamonds, I need you setting them straight. Diamonds, it comes and it goes, don't you wait. The color and gray, they came in the district today. Diamonds, they came from the work and the pain.
What's up? Yeah, it's your boy Fresh Server, aka Nico Neeks, brought to you live, top of the morning, at Bird's Eyes View at La Rome, you know what I'm saying? Which is something similar to Wonderland, if you guys are wondering, you know what I mean? To those out there in Ontario, you know what I mean? About to jump on some rides, yeah. So yeah, man, hopefully I don't lose no jewelry. I'm holding to my shit tight, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, with that being said, I'm about to turn the fuck up. The summer isn't done. But the sad thing is, though, with me enjoying the rest of the summer, I'm not with my son, you know, because the fact is that he had the summer school. He's about to start high school right now. So if you're seeing this, son, congratulations. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you stay on your work. Finish that up. Show me your 90s. And I'll gift you some shit, you know what I'm saying? As a father should. Anyways, you guys know what the fuck it is. You guys tune the fuck in. Yeah, early morning, all here. So you guys tune in and see what I want. You know what I mean? Shout out to everybody. There is a new single out too before I do leave. From Gucci Baby, that's called Flirty. You guys will be receiving some singles from me too as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm just crafting shit up. Working on a whole bunch of shit. So you guys stay patient. You know what I'm saying? You guys rock with me. So hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell button. Alright? Comment. Yeah, let's get it.
Rangée 7. Bonjour, bonjour, bien à bord, Godette. Veuillez poser tous vos effets personnels à l'intérieur de la boîte bleue. Il n'y a pas de récupération d'objets survie. Verrouillage.
I have good grip. I'm good, bro. Oh, that's automatic. Press it down, eh? Yeah.
Négatif. Ouverture rangée 1. Revérification rangée 1.
No, I'm good. No, I have a zipper.
Voilà. Ouais, voyage.
Ok, téléphone.
Orange, le téléphone, s'il vous plaît.
Téléphone.
This is cool.
Téléphone. Hey, mais tiens la deux mains.
Yeah.
Là, non, tu vas vouloir te tenir. Ok,
Yeah, back at it. Killing this pizza right now. Tasting delicious. Crazy. Shout out to all my Italians out there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyways, long story short, I did go on that ride, as you guys can see. Was not able to film because, trust me, I was more worried about losing my chain popping off my neck or losing the phone or anything else that's valuable on me. Yeah, so the ride was crazy. I wasn't even able to look straight or even keep my eyes open. That's how nerve-wracking it was. Trust me, man. This is my second time, though, riding around on roller coasters. The last time I did ride on roller coasters, I was much more younger. I think like younger than 16, you know what I mean? Probably like 15, 16, the last time I've been on a roller coaster. Well, yeah, it's crazy. It's a nice day right now. Sunny day. Not bad. So you guys know what it is, bro. Yeah, you guys tune in. Yeah. Waiting for my food right now. Came to get some chicken strips, 4 pieces, and some fries. That's what the fuck I came to get. Yeah. Oh, okay. Check it out, guys.
Welcome aboard Edna. Note that the minimum height requirement for this ride is 52 inches. Please leave your personal belongings on the exit side of the platform. Any items lost during the ride will not be recovered. Once seated, please lower your harness. For your safety, keep your arms and legs into the headrest at all times.
Yep.
Thank
This
you,
is another
and
ride I'm
enjoy
talking
your
about.
ride.
I'm not sure if I'll be able to bring the phone, but if I am, you guys stay tuned. Let's go.
Can you resemble vers le bas pour l'ouvrir, pull the harness towards yourself to open it?
Prenez note que la grandeur minimale pour accéder à sa manège est de 52 pouces.
I'm putting my phone
Veuillez
away.
déposer vos effets personnels du côté de la sortie. Le tracteur. Demandons d'abaisser votre harnais. Pour votre sécurité, veuillez garder les bras et les jambes.
I know right now, to you guys are wondering, like, this guy looks like he's dolo. I ain't never dolo. Don't get it fucking twisted. I just don't put certain people on camera, you know? Or certain things. But I'm out here, though. You see me, show me some love. You guys don't know what it is. Shout out to all the upcoming artists. You know what I mean? You guys keep doing your Thug Dizzle. And let's keep supporting one another. Yeah, let's get it. Wooden roller coaster. Just by the looks of it, it does look nerve-wracking. Trust me. Looks like it's about to fall apart and shit. But yeah, currently gonna have to wait an hour. Damn line waiting. That's the worst thing about going to the roller coasters and shit like that. You know what I mean? Like theme parks or festivals that has roller coasters. It's the lineups. That's one thing I cannot stand. I got no patience for this. In the line right now and the sun is beating on me. Yeah, you guys see me sniffing myself, man, because I can't stand the smell of like the outside smell. I don't know if you guys understand or know what I'm talking about. You know that smell on your clothes, bro? The outside sun smell, bro? I cannot stand that. Why? The sun's just beating on me. Help me. Come on. You guys tune in though. You guys don't know what it is. Shout out to all my supporters. If it wasn't for you guys, well, the small percentage of you guys, you know, I wouldn't be feeling this much motivated. So you guys tune in. I love you guys. Yeah.
Je le donne avant que ça passe, hein? Non, non, non.
Moi j'aime ça qu'il y ait des jeunes enfants.
here swimming in the motherfucker. I had to stop by the bar real quick, give me a cold glass of beer. You guys know what the fuck it is. Just waiting a few minutes until it arrives. You know what I'm saying? Until then, yeah, cool it. But right now, currently, I'm trying to handle my cards. As you guys can see, you know what I mean? All about the promotion. You got to start somewhere, you know what I mean? So today we start here. Find the right crowd, you know what I'm saying? Looking for some young teenagers. The ones that listen to hip hop. What the fuck I'm looking for? I'm on a mission right now. Hopefully I can come across somebody that'll take these cards and go ahead and tap in. You guys see these cards, bro? You guys pick them up, tune in. Yep. The moment I've been waiting for. It has finally arrived, yo. Cheers! To all my drinkers out there. To my non-drinkers, cheers again to your water bottle. Whatever that you take or any substances that you use to cope with yourself. Cheers, you guys turn the fuck up, enjoy yourselves. And yeah. And fuck. To all the students out there that's going back to school, you guys do the best as you can, to the best of your capabilities. Stay focused, grind. Trust me. You're talking, you know what I mean? Somebody right here that's talking to you that's been through a whole bunch of shit. Just take my word for it. Focus. Let's get it. Grind hard. Quote of the day. Do everything with a good heart and expect nothing in return. So in that sense, you will never be disappointed. Quote of the day. All right? So you guys take that. Run with it. Shout out to everybody out there, you know what I mean, that's tuning in. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Do not sleep on me. Support is a must. Let's get it. Yeah. Yo, my G, come. You speak English? No? T'es cool the hip hop? T'es cool the hip hop? Okay, let's take this and listen to my music, alright? Yeah. Quality music. Alright, my G? Yeah. Alright. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh fuck.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Hold on, where that hold? Oh, okay.
Hold on.
Oh no. Out of here, man. Yo.
1, 2, 3. Bye. Don't move. Nothing. You good?
On the board. The feet on the board. Thank you.
Not bad. I was over exaggerating. Yeah. Okay.
B?
Not bad.
What?
Cameraman, trust me. So you go up and come down and look sick. Stop. Where you guys go? No, I like that's a wicked angle, trust me. It's a wicked shot. Now if you touch the phone now, eh? Yeah, but can you touch it with your feet? No. There's only 3 seats. It's perfect at income. See? It's meant for that.